Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to update the Peacock TV app. So if you want to update the Peacock TV app onto your device, first thing first, you have to make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your device is as well updated. Now, depending on the device, you have to open your respective app store. As for the Android, you want to go to your respective Play Store, and as for the Android, you want to go to App Store itself. On the search bar, you want to simply type in Peacock TV, and here you want to open the app, and if you see update, you just want to click on the update button, confirm it, and wait for it to completely update the app. Once the application is updated, you could then restart the device by holding on to your side button for a smooth functioning, and that is how you should be able to update the Peacock TV app onto your device. So this way you will be able to update the app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.